everyone work together. Okay, I'm gonna click on the instructions. It says Coastline Floorings partial payroll register for the pay period ended July 3rd, 2020, whatever year, to be paid July 7th, and a blank earnings record form are provided in the working pages. Use the appropriate withholding tax tables shown in the lesson to determine the federal income tax. Deductions for all employees are 5% of total earnings for state income tax, 6.2% for Social Security tax, and 1.45% for Medicare tax. So direction number 1 says that we're going to prepare a commissions record for Nigella Panuski, or Panuska, employee number 12, and carpet department manager for June of the current year. Nigella's bi-weekly salary of $1,200 is assigned to the carpet department. She also receives a monthly commission of 4% of carpet net sales and 2% of tile net sales. Commissions for the previous month are paid in the first pay period of the current month. Accounting records for the month ended June 30th of the current year are as follows. Okay, then number 2 says we're going to prepare the payroll register entries for the following 2 employees. On line 5, we're going to do Nigella Panuski, or Panuska. Employee number 12, carpet department manager, married, 2 allowances. Use the commission calculations in instruction 1. Her health insurance premium is $60. Retirement plan contribution is $100. Line 6, we're going to do Andrew Weber, employee number 8, tile department clerk, single, 1 allowance, regular salary of $16 per hour with overtime paid at 1.5 times the regular rate. He worked 80 hours of regular time and 6 hours of overtime. His medical insurance premium is $50 and retirement plan contribution is $60. Direction number 3, we need to complete the payroll register by totaling each amount column. And the last direction, number 4, prepare Andrew's earnings record for the first pay period of the quarter ended September 30th. Calculate earnings for the quarter ended June 30th are $18,240. Okay, so a lot of stuff. Couple things. I would make sure that you have your book because you will need that for the tables. And also, like I've said in the past, I think it's helpful to have your book open for those directions so you don't have to click into a separate window. Okay, so introduction number 1, our first part is that we are going to complete this commissions record. So I have my book opened so that I can read my instructions, and that's where I'm getting this information. So my employee number 1, or my employee number is going to be 12. The employee name is Nigella K. Panuska. Period ended is going to be July 3rd. Regular bi-weekly salary is $1,200. She is assigned to the carpet department, and her position is department manager. I got all of that information from directions number 1. Okay, so then I need to go to the next part, and I need to fill in the information for carpet and for tile sales. So sales on account, $6,148.19. This again is coming from direction number 1. Cash and credit card sales, $2,491.96. And those I'm just going to simply add together. Oops. And that's going to give me my total sales for the month, which should be $8,640.15. Okay, then I have $104.15 in sales discounts. I have $321.06 in sales returns and allowances. I will add those two together. So 425.21 will be our total deductions. And then I need to figure out my net sales. So to figure out my net sales, I'm going to take my total sales for the month for carpet, and I'm going to minus my total reductions in sales for carpet. That means my net sales for carpet is going to be $8,214.94. I need to go back into my directions, and it says for carpet, so I'm going to put in 4%. Okay, then to figure that out, I'm going to take my net sales times 4%. Okay, so commission on carpet is going to be $328.60. We're going to round up there. Okay, next we're going to do the same thing for tile. So $1,706.22. Cash and credit card sales are $2,882.03. I'm going to add those two together to get my total sales for the month. So that will be $4,588.25. Okay, my sales discounts $28.11. Sales returns and allowances $418.95. Add those two together. Total deductions for tile then are $447.06. I need to figure out my net sales, so again I will take my total sales minus my total reductions. Net sales for tile is going to be $4,141.19. Commission on tile is going to be 2%. So multiply that. So the commission for tile is $82.82. And then this here, I'm going to add my two together, my commission for carpet and the commission for tile. And I should get a total commission of $411.42. Okay, so my commission record is completed. Now I'm going to go down to number 2, and number 2 we are entries for those 2 employees that are given to us in the directions. Okay, so employee number 12 is Vanessa Jella. Okay, letter A under number 2. This is then going to she is married. Two allowances. Okay, regular earnings $1,200. They told us that in 1. She does not have any overtime, but she does have commission. That's what we just figured out up above. So the commission is going to be $411.42. We're going to add those two together. Okay, so her total earnings are going to be $1,611.42. Okay, the next part then we're breaking it up between the carpet and the tile departments. Now it says that she is the carpet department manager, so majority of her earnings are going to come from the department, the carpet department. So really what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out how much actually is coming from the tile department. So I'm going to look up here, and the only amount that she's making from her tile department is that $82.82 in commission. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in. $82.82. Okay, now to figure out how much she made in the carpet department, I'm just going to take her total earnings, 1,611.42, minus the 82.82 from tile commissions. So that means $1,528.60 of her earnings came from the carpet department. Okay. Admin salaries, it doesn't say anything about that, so we're just going to move to the next one. We need to figure out her federal income tax. So for that, we need to go back in our book and we need to find the table. So we're looking at page 70 and 71. She is married and her earnings are $1,511. Okay, and so her federal income tax is going to be $114. Okay, state income tax. We need to look at 5%. So we're going to take her total earnings times 5%. That means state income tax is going to be $80.57. Social Security is at 6.2%. So Social Security deduction is going to be $99.91. Medicare is at 1.45. So her Medicare withholdings are going to be $23.37. Health insurance, when we look back to direction number 2, part A, health insurance premium is $60, and her retirement plan contribution is going to be $100. Okay, we need to add up all of the deductions. So we start at the federal income tax all the way to the retirement plan. Her total deductions then are going to be $477.85. To figure out her net pay, we're going to take her total earnings here minus her total deductions. So her net pay is going to be $1,133.57. Okay, and then the next one we're going to fill out for Andrew Weber. I'm going to stop here for this video, and you can go on to part 2 for the Andrew Weber.